casino guests, we have a blue Honda CRV, Minnesota license plate KLN 917. You need to report to your vehicle immediately. Thank you.
Come on.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Not good enough. I want the grand. Yeah. I still have free spins, I think, too. So that's been the bonus. Yeah, that's another bonus. Right there. Come on, big one, big one, big one, big one. Nice. Get it, get it, get it. Come on. Get wilds, wilds. Let's get some wilds here. Nice, I got it again.
Wow.
So 3 bonuses and then a bonus.
Holy shit.
Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up.
Oh, we still got 3 more spins after.
Come on, major. Get the major in there, please. Give it a love tap. Come on. Fill it up. Yeah, that's good. Well, it's mostly me leaving empty. Leave my wallet empty, you know. So this is a good payback.
That's not one of mine. All money are up.
Yeah, I think it's maxed out. No, it's not.
Where they're at.
Oh, it's where they're at. Okay.
Where they at 'em before. So that great deal.
Yeah, it's usually the mini and the major. Okay, I got a couple more spins now. Nice, do it again. Come on. Retrigger, retrigger.